Hello, this is Logan from CableCreation. I'm recording this video in my office. In this video, I will show you how to use CableCreation mini HDMI to HDMI cable, Canon HFR 606, and HDMI capture card to start the Facebook Live. Before we start this event, I have installed the OBS Studio software in my desktop in advance, and I have plugged this HDMI capture card to my desktop advance. So the drivers about the HDMI capture card has been installed automatically. This is we are going to use the CableCreation mini HDMI to HDMI cable. It is 6 feet, so I think it will be enough from the Canon HFR 606 to my desktop. I will open my Canon camera and click on OK. It has been turned on automatically. I will connect the mini HDMI connect to the Canon camera's HDMI out port. And connect the HDMI A type to the HDMI capture card's female port. And connect the HDMI capture card to my desktop. Since I have installed the OBS Studio software in advance, then I will show you how to set the Canon camera as the web camera. I will run OBS Studio. Here, click Tools and click Alt Configuration Wizard. And here, I will get the notification message. Optimize for streaming recording is secondary. Okay, I will use the Canon HFR 606 as a web camera. So I should choose Optimize for streaming and click Next button. Here I will choose 30 Hz. Click Next. And about the service, I would choose Facebook Live. And then click Get Stream Key. Okay, it will be run to the Facebook page. Okay, I will go live. Because the power has been sharpened, the camera has been sharpened because of the battery production. And here you can see I have started the Facebook Live to my audience. Here you would see the live button on the Facebook page. Okay. If we want to set the legacy camera to be the web camera, we need the mini HDMI to HDMI cable, the HDMI capture card, and we also need the OBS Studio software. So I think you have got the point. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.